Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I wanna share what I ate in Malaysia. Do you know Roti Canai? This is my first time to eat the Roti Canai and then I ate most famous drinks in Malaysia. Let's start, check it out.
Here. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello. Is there roti canai? Yeah? Oh. Today I want to try roti canai in here, like that. Is there roti canai? It's good? Back here? Ah, okay, okay. Ah. Hello, is there roti canai? I want to try roti canai today. Hello. Oh. I'm a YouTuber. Oh, hello. Oh, can I film how to make a roti canai? Can I film? Okay. Can I film the roti canai? Oh, what is this? What is this?
Rice.
This is famous.
Rice.
It's good. This is famous drink. Drink in here.
Nunu.
Huh? Ininu. What is that?
Bangladesh. Malaysia.
Oh. Ah, this one, right? This one is famous in Malaysia. Ah, this one. Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from South Korea.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Sorry? What did you order?
I this cafe.
This is yummy.
Not
Coffee?
really lah, just creamy.
Ah, creamy. I love creamy drinks.
Just type of coffee lah. Alright.
Papa, what is the best roti canai? Oh, I wanna get roti canai.
Sini ada.
Roti canai? I wanna try roti canai. Wow! Amazing! This is mine, right? Wow! Wow!
Okay.
Oh! Wow! This is mine.
Hai. 20 पराठा बनाता है वो.
Ah?
1 minute 20 पराठा.
Ah, 1 minute?
हाँ 20.
Oh.
What purpose? What purpose?
Hi. Ah, that's great. Wow, so cool. Wow, super. Wow. I wanna eat here, but how can I order?
You come sit our table.
Huh?
Our
Huh?
waiters come here.
Ah, see first.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, okay, okay. See first?
Yeah.
Huh? I wanna order roti canai. Yeah? I wanna eat roti canai in here, but everyone don't know. So just wait in here. Where is my roti canai? Already. 1 minute. Oh, can you speak English? What is the best drinks in here? Drink. Oh, this is my roti canai. Wow! 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 Oh, this is 4 ringgit? 4 ringgit? Wow! Wow! I don't know. I have to pay. Where I can pay? Wait now? Now I have to pay? Okay. Wait. This is my meal. What is bestseller?
Drinks.
This is drinks. What is good? Can I try Milo one? Milo one.
Just Milo.
Oh.
Milo, ice, panas, hot, cold,
Ice.
ice.
Oh, this is Milo? Oh, thank you. Oh, really hot.
Hot, panas,
Wow.
ice.
Oh, this is Milo ice. Wow. Hello. Whoa. Let's try this one. This is my first time to Milo. Hot. Oh. Wow, it's really sweet. Wow, so yummy. This is chocolate, right?
Your energy drink.
I love it. Wow. Oh, show me. What is this one? Oh, nasi lemak. Wow.
Traditional dish.
Wow. Maybe next time I will come back and then I will get it. Okay? Where is water? Water.
One ice.
Ice water.
Ice water.
This is Milo. It tastes like chocolate. Wow, it's really sweet. Oh my god. If you like chocolate and if you like chocolate latte, you should have to try the Milo because Milo is really good. Also, this is roti canai like that. Right. Wow, it's really sweet. Oh my god. Thank you. I don't know what is that. What is that? Three curry or curry? What is this one? Curry? Jumper. This is jumper.
Sambal.
Sambar. This is sambar and this is curry. Curry. And this is
Fish curry.
fish curry. This is curry and jumper. Okay, let's try. How can I eat this? Wow, so big, right? Wow, so big. Okay, I will use this one. Hello. Like that. Hello. And then like that, right? Like that. Okay, let's try this one. Like that, right? Like that. Wow! spicy. I love it. Hello, cute girl. Hello. I love this drink. But you know, ice is starting melt because here is really hot. Also, they say this is only 4 ringgit. This is only 4 ringgit. I want to try using one. Like that. Can I add ice more? You know, if you bite this one, melt in my mouth. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I add ice. Like that. Yummy. But you know, this is a little bit spicy for me. But sauce is make this more yummy. Sambar is a little bit spicy. This a little bit tastes like gochujang. Do you know that? Thank you. They give me this one. I don't know what is that. Let's try this one. Wow. This is really spicy. Wow. Hello.
You want to try nasi lemak? You want to try?
Can I try it?
You want to try? I'll give you.
No, you give me free for free?
Yeah.
Woo! Can you give me? Yeah, of course. You know nasi lemak?
Nasi lemak.
Nasi lemak. I don't know what is nasi lemak.
Mama restaurant famous.
Really? Really famous. Papa. Nasi lemak. I love Milo. You know, but maybe Milo will have a high calorie because it's really sweet. I love this one. I love it. What is that?
Our voucher.
Oh.
100 ringgit. Extra eat. You get 5 ringgit voucher.
Whoa!
Name it our branches. This is our branches.
Thank you! Thank you! High five! Wow! He gave me voucher, right? Ticket? Wow! Wow! Nasi lemak! This is nasi lemak? My first time to see that. Wow! Okay, let's try. Wow. Oh, okay, review.
Restaurant Ramat Bistro.
Okay, this one. Restaurant. Right there. Hello. Wow, so good. Wow, this is the best meal I had. This is nasi lemak. Nasi lemak is really famous in here, so they want to explore like that. Maybe but I have to finish this one. Hello. Can you see the layer like that? They have a 3 layer. Wow. This layer is really thin like that. I love it. Wow. Maybe I have to take away this one because this is too big, so I can't eat now. But it tastes really good, so maybe later I try it. Wow. Can I take away? Take away. I wanna take away. Okay? Because full, okay? I love it. Favorite one is this one, and second, my favorite is this. Little bit sour. Good. Wow. So they give this one voucher like that. I will take it. Oh, thank you. I will take it. This is bill?
Yeah, this is cash counter.
Oh, okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Hey, bye-bye. Oh, let's go. Hello. Hello. This is light?
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Did you guys enjoy this video? I hope you did. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.